All right, we have a crease on this Mini Cooper here. We could gain access through the taillight. However, we're gonna glue pull this, allow us to have a cleaner, faster repair. I'm gonna demonstrate that with glue. Why? Sometimes pushing obviously cause push marks. You don't want push marks. We're gonna demonstrate with these Black Plague gangrene tabs. Here's an assorted pack right here. And then this is a collaboration with Black Plague and Kiko. I'm also gonna use Poreless Trifecta glue gun from Anson. Also, we are going to use Black Plague's glue called the Tab Weld glue. Is legit. All right, so first thing I wanna do is I wanna prep the panel. That's alcohol. Wipe this down. Also want to heat it up too as well. Take all the evaporation off. See, I'm gonna constantly wiggle it. I'm just gonna take a very short tab, but not a lot of glue because these glue tabs pull really hard. I'm gonna overlap it right over that beginning of where it goes. I wanna make sure I catch it. I'm gonna set up my mini lifter. This is probably about 10 seconds. It's the Robo lifter, set it up there. 1, 2, 3. It has a nice tight line. It's starting to continue this way. Matter of fact, I'll actually draw a line of discipline. We're gonna split this up. We're gonna stop probably right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do lines up to this point. Keeps me disciplined on how to keep it clean. Nice tight pull. I'm actually gonna do another one right here. And then I'm gonna switch to fog for this one, for this side right here. So we're using 2 reflections to see the dent and fix the dent. Right now, I'm gonna switch to a skinny tab. This is gives you a little more precision. Look at that pull. Nice, clean, tight. Personally, I rather glue pull now these days than push because look at the nice, clean high that you have, right? No zipper effects. Now we're gonna tap down. This is a match grade Galaxy tip with a Guardian cap. It's gonna keep it really clean. Now you might need a pass or two, like you may have to glue pull again, or you could actually glue pull and get it to a point where you feel comfortable pushing without jeopardizing making any push marks. But now I'll take the cap off so I can be a little bit more precise. As you can tell, look how much more cleaner it is. You can take a tool of your choice if you wanted to and just kind of pinpoint out the little bits. In summary, invest time more in the beginning so you get more time back in the end. I'm gonna continue right over. You notice I'm not trying to get a long tab all the way because the more patient you are, shorter the tab, smaller increments equal cleaner repairs. You're just snugging it, right? Just like that to where it can stand up by itself, not over tightening it. We'll continue doing now, we'll do it in fog. Crease isn't that long yet now. Still gonna make sure that we get the end of it. Snap. Gangrene skinny tabs. These are some serious pulls right here. Look at that pull. Now you see there's just a little bit one right here. We're gonna take a regular gangrene small tab. This is the 12 millimeter. I'm just gonna get that last end. That's it. And now we're gonna tap down. With the board up and down, you can see a little bit of the lows. Use a sharp tip tool, pick out that little bit right there. Push, twisting, flip it vertical. I'm gonna cross check against it and pick out any of the little micro lows. Okay, one last check, just a little bit there. Doing our last itty bitty cleanups. What dent?